Hello friends, welcome back to Forever Pathfinder. My name is Krishna Sinha and I'm the subnetting guru and CCNA trainer. So in this video we are going to complete the assessment for our session 3 of CCNA 200301 free online classes by subnetting guru, that is me, Krishna Sinha. So now in this video we are going to complete a task. We are going to complete an assessment, and you can see on the screen like what is the assessment. So basically, like in session 3 we have learned the VLSM and how to implement the VLSM in a real environment through implementing VLAN. So let's go and let us configure how to configure this task in a real environment. So we have, you can see on the screen, we have a task here. So in this scenario, like the task is, we have IP address, we have a network 172.16.0.0/16, that is class P with a default subnet mask. Now we have to divide that network in such a way so that there is a three network. For a student network we have a 500 host requirement. For faculties network we have a 200 host requirement, and for back office we have a requirement of 100 host. So we have to divide this network 172.16.0.0/16 into three subnetworks, right? So this is the first task. After that, we have to configure the router with the host name as my own name. The router name would be my name, and we have to configure VLAN as per the router on a stick process. Okay, now we have to configure the switch. The switch port from 2 to 10 should be in student network, from 11 to 20 should be in the faculty network, and 21 to 24 should be in back office network. And after that, IP address of PCs, whatever is given there, like we have 3 PC in each network. So the IP address of PCs would be the second valid host, the third valid host, and the last valid host of that particular network. So this is the task. It's a very simple task. Let us go and check like how to configure that. So first of all, I'm just going to router. Okay, now, okay, but before that we have to do the VLSM so that we can implement that in a network. So let me show you like how to do the VLSM here. So we have the IP address given here 172, let me it is the size. Okay, so we have 172.16.0.0/16. We have a requirement of, suppose for a network like a student, we have a requirement of 500 host. For faculties we have a requirement of 200 host, and for back office we have a requirement of 100 host. Let me check. Yes, 500, 200 and 100. So now for a network, as we have a requirement of 500 hosts, so for A I will use the subnet mask /23 means 255 255.255.254.0, and the network range would be from 0.0 to, as it's a jump of 2, so 1.255. okay, for B network I am going to use 200 hosts, so it will be the requirement of, okay, 2 to the power 8. So I will use 24-bit, and the subnet mask will be 255.255.255.0. okay, and the range would be from 2.0 to 2.255. okay, now in the C network we have requirement of 100 hosts, so I will use 25, and the subnet mask would be 255.255.255.128, and the range would be from 3.0 to 3.127. okay, so this is the like network which we are going to use in that scenario. Now, so first of all I'm just going to configure the router, and as per the requirement I'm going to change the host name of the router. Enable config t, host name would be Krishna. Okay, good. Now we have a sub interface, like I have to create sub interface on this main interface. So let me create three sub interface for three VLANs. So int z 0/0/0 no shut. Okay, now 0.0.10 dot 20 dot 30 do so IP int brief. Okay, we have three sub interface now and all are up. Now let us go to 10 once again, encapsulate this dot 1q with VLAN 10, go to 20, configure it with 20 VLAN, go to port number 30 and implement this with a 31. Cool. Now let us come to the switch. Enable config t. So I have to show VLAN. We have only one VLAN. Okay, so we have to create three VLANs on this switch. So I'm going to create VLAN 10, name student, VLAN 20, name faculty, VLAN 30, name back office. Cool. Now int range fa 0/2 to 10 switch port access VLAN 10 from 11 to 20 VLAN 20 and from 21 to 24 VLAN 30 do so VLAN, here we go. Okay, 2 to 10 VLAN 1 and here we have 11 to 20 in VLAN 20 and from 21 to 24 is in VLAN 30. Cool. Now we have int fa 0/1, that is a trunk port switch port mode. So we have two mode here, trunk and access. So we have to make is trunk. Done. Now I'm going to give the IP address z 0/0/0, not 0/0/10 IP address. So the requirement was 172.168.0.1, the first IP address 255.255.254.0. Okay, now go to port 20. So for the faculty network we have 2.1. let us check. Yes, 2.0. the network is starting from 2.0, so I'm providing 2.1 and the subnet mask would be 255.255.255.0. okay, and go to port number 30, provide the IP address, that would be 3.1 and the subnet mask would be 128. Now the second valid host, the third valid host and the last valid host. So the second valid host is 172.16.0.2 255.255.254.0 172.16.0.1. okay, let me copy this. Three 255.255.254.0. cool, and the last valid host so there was a jump of 2, so it would be 1.254. okay, and 254.0.0.1. Okay, done. Let me check if it's working or not. Ping 172.16.0.2. Yes, it's responding. Now let us come to the faculty network. So the IP address would be 2.1. Subnet mask, sorry, 2.1. No. Okay, sorry, 2.1 is the IP address of router, so it would be 2.2. 255.255.255.0 and then 2.1. Okay, 2.3, 255.0 and 2.1. Now the last valid host 2.254, 255.255.255.0, 2.1. Let us check. Ping 172.16.2.2. It's not responding. Why? 2.1 is the okay. 2.2/24. Let us check once again. Nope. Okay, let us check what is the issue. So it's going there. It's going there. It's dropping. Now, what is the issue? 2.254 source IP and the distance 2.2. So .1Q layer 2. Okay. Let me check. So IPINT brief. So 172.16.2.1. Okay, on port 20, right? So run. Two dot 1.20.255. Okay. Let me check it from here. 2.3. So from here it's responding. 2.2 is responding, but from here, okay, 172.16. I was trying with 168. That is why it was not responding. So from here it's responding. Cool. Now the IP address was wrong. So let us configure here for the back office network. Desktop IP 172.16.3.2 255.255.255.128 172.16.3.1. Okay, so I'm just going to configure this thing here. Desktop IP 3.3 255.255.255.128 and 3.1. Now here desktop IP 3. The last IP 126 255.255.255.128 and this 3.1. Okay, let us check. Ping 172.16.3.2. Cool. So I think everything is configured now. Let us check like this PC is communicating with this or not. Command prompt. I'm just going to try with 0.2 for the from the first network. Yes, it's responding. So everything is done now. So we have created 3 VLAN and we have configured router and switch, and now the network is communicating with each other. So I think the task is complete. Let us check. VLSM done. Okay, implementing a config network, hostname configuration done, VLAN as per router on a stick done, switch port from 2 to done, and this is also done, and this is also 24 to this is done, IP address of PC second third done. So everything is completed now. So as you can see here, like it's a very simple, it's a very easy to configure VLAN and implementing the VLSM in a real environment. So hope you like this video, and if you like this video, I request you to please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this video as much as you can, at least in 10 groups of Facebook or in WhatsApp. So see you guys in next video. Bye bye and take care.